Hello. So the topic that would be discussed in this video is skewness and how skewness is used in Microsoft Excel. So talking about the definition, skewness essentially refers to the degree of distortion from a normal distribution in a particular set of data. So it basically is measuring the extent to which there is variation from a particular set of data, and this variation that's being measured can be of positive and negative in nature. So this would be further explained with the help of a graph. Okay, so you can see on the screen that the workbook is opened. Data is entered and there are two sets of data, set A and set B, with different values. Now we'll be finding the skewness for these sets separately. The skewness can be found in two ways. The first one is using the skew function and the second one is using the data analysis tool. So now we'll start with first using the skew function. So for that, you will place your cursor on cell A9 and you would enter the function is equal to skew, open the bracket, select the data in set A, close the bracket and press enter. Now in doing that, as you can see, the result is a negative 0.5411837, which means that this is a negative skewness. Now we perform the same function for set B. So you click your cursor on B9, you press is equal to skew, open the bracket, enter the data for set B and close the bracket. After that, press enter and you'll see that the result is positive, which means that set B has positive skewness. So what essentially does this mean? It means that when a set has a negative skewness, that means that the mean and median will be less than the mode. Whereas in case of a positive skewness, the mean and median would be more than the mode. So that is all about the first method. Now talking about the second method of determining skewness, it is using the data analysis tool. Now this is a very simple method of finding the answer, for which first we have to click on the data tab. After that, the data analysis option has to be selected. Next, the descriptive statistics option should be selected. Now press the OK button and you would see there's an input box that is present on the screen. So to enter the value in the input box, select the entire data set. After that, you would see an option of grouped by. So you have to click on that option because the data is arranged in terms of columns. Now, after that, you have to check the labels in the first row option, because you have the rows set A, set B rows. Now, in order to ensure that your output range is valid, select an area next to the data set so that you can clearly view your output. After that, click on Summary Statistics and press on OK. And there, you will see the skewness for set A and set B in a comprehensive and easy manner. Thank you.